Hello, good noon. I am Naimatul Jannat, and my nickname is Ima. And most of the people call me the name Ima, and some people call me Jannat. But I like to hear Ima. So because my father calls me Ima, so I want to say that this is also today is also it is raining, and I can't go to outside. But yesterday I went to outside because I had to do my some important and necessary works. So and in I went to a rooftop of our home, and on the rooftop I planted a lemon tree, but it was rained due to lack of care. Yes, take care. We should take care for any good thing. We should take care of any good thing. It is whatever it is. You can. It may be steady. It's maybe any good thing, or we have to practice our lesson, and we have to be regular. Or you have to take care of any good thing. We have to listen regularly our study as like I will give an example about regularity and study. At first I will take the name of the regular student of DSP group, because maybe we are sometime we become very excited about any task which is given by which gives Rajiv Ahmed sir, but we don't do that regularly. Maybe we do that for 7 days, 8 days, or 1 month, but all the time, forever, we don't do that. Who is regular, who is serious about their study, who just take care of their study, they all the time practice in this big group, and they are serious about the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir. That's why I want to take care of my practice and study. I want to be regular all the time, because I am getting I know that my basic skill of spoken English day by day increasing. I know that this is not fast. I am not fast about that. I am slow, but I am regular. I can say about that I am regular, but I think my opinion is I have to be super active. Every day I plan that I will super active today. I will post every day. I will read 100 posts every day, but it's never I can't make it possible. But I know that this is my fault, and I have to be serious. I am only regular in making video in English, but I am not regular about reading 100 posts in DSP group, 100 comments writing in Search English group, 100 posts reading in Search English group. I'm not regular about that. So don't know why I can't do that, and I can fulfill my task, but I have to be industrious, because lazy person never can be successful, and I want to be successful. This is my dream, and the meaning of successful for me, that I will be fluent in English, I will be perfect in English, and I will be expert in English. And I think that money is important in our life. Obviously money is most important in our life, but we are very all the time we are in hurry, but we have to wait and we have to keep passion. We can get success, we can get we can be happy in our life by study, by practicing. And study is important in our life because study gives us peace in our life. So peace, and if we want to be a happy person in our life, we have to make habit, we have to make our habits, we have to read book, read story book, we have to read Kishore Classic, we can read on online, we can read the post of Rajiv Ahmed sir, which we can get what we can get from the website of Rajiv Ahmed sir. We can watch the video, inspirational video on YouTube. We can read the biography of any inspirational people. So I want to say that study is much important for me, and I want to be a successful person by making myself and wise person. And so, but in this time at present, my activity is not perfect, and for make myself and wise person, I have to be industrious, I have to be more serious about my study, I have to be I have to keep passion. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. I am finishing my video. I think that inshallah I will make another video today. Allah Hafiz.